Hello, saxophone players. We are going to begin with an important musical concept called tonguing. Each time we play a note on our mouthpiece or on the full instrument, we need to make sure we are starting the notes with our tongue, and we call that tonguing. For example, every note you play needs to start with the syllable T. See if you can just say T. Now see if you can do this. T. Now try this. T. And try this. T, 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 T. Every time we were doing those exercises, you might have noticed that your tongue was moving in our mouth. And that's how we're going to start our notes. Let's do our play for 4, rest for 4 on our mouthpiece and neck joint. Remember, when your reed is set up, you want it straight on your mouthpiece so that it's totally covering up our hole on the mouthpiece. And then make sure your ligature is down far enough past the opening of the mouthpiece and that our screws are tightened. Take one hand to hold our mouthpiece. Make a cushion with your bottom lip and your top teeth go on. Don't forget the reed is touching your bottom lip. Not like this, but the reed is on your bottom lip. Let's play for 4, rest for 4. In whole notes, start your note with a T. 1, 2, ready, play. 1, 2, ready. Now, if you notice, again, our tongue should be hitting the tip of the reed. Each time we start a note, the tip of the tongue hits the tip of the reed. T, 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 just like that. Let's see if we can play for 4, rest for 4, in 4 quarter notes, and make sure the tip of your tongue hits the tip of the reed each note. 1, 2, ready, and 1, 2, ready, play. One more time, here we go. Once you're able to do that and tongue each of the notes with a T, we are ready to move on to our full instrument. So go ahead and take your neck joint and put it on the rest of the instrument and gently tighten the screw on the side. And don't forget, our neck strap should be raised so the mouthpiece is coming right up to our mouth. So right now, it's just going up to my chin, so it needs to be a little higher. And if you're having struggles lifting up or down your neck strap, have an adult at home help you, because sometimes they can be tough to move. Once you have your neck strap at the right height, you're going to take your instrument off to your right side here, and then you're going to hold down note name B. Okay? Remember, when we're playing our instrument, our right hand is going underneath of this thumb hook, and then our left hand, our thumb, is going on this black thumb pad. And then you want to have your left hand around these 3 palm keys on the side so we're not accidentally pressing down extra keys. So left thumb on the thumb pad up top, right thumb underneath our thumb rest. And then note name B is the first big pad here. So hold that note name down. Let's play for 4, rest for 4, note name B in whole notes. Don't forget, start your note with a T. 1, 2, ready. 1, 2, ready, play. Now let's see if we can do play for 4, rest for 4 in 4 quarter notes. Tip of the tongue hits the tip of the reed. 1, 2, ready, play. 1, 2, ready, play. 1, 2, last time. And those are our 2 exercises on note name B. Now we're going to learn our new note today. It's note name A. All we do is have note name B set, and we're going to add our second finger over the second pad, or the second big key that we see. So now we just have 2 fingers down, and that's note name A. It'll sound like this. Let's do play for 4, rest for 4, and whole notes on A. 1, 2, ready, play. Rest, 2, 3, play. And now let's try our 4 quarter notes on note name A. 1, 2, ready, play. 1, 2, ready, play. 1 more time, ready, and. And those are our 2 note names. If you're able to do that successfully on note name B and A, see if you can put them together. Play for 4, rest for 4 in whole notes, starting with B and then A, and then B and then A. Try that with me. Let's start on B. First finger down. 1, 2, ready, play. Rest, rest to A, play. Rest, rest back to B, here we go. Rest, rest back to A, last one. And that's putting our 2 notes together. What you should practice is just switching between the notes and saying the letter names. That way we get really good at knowing what fingering is what note. So you would just go like this. B, A, B, A. Once you're comfortable with that, then see if you can do the exercise putting it together. And remember, saxophones, I don't expect you to practice for an hour in a row without stopping. But what I do expect is that you practice for small amounts of time, multiple times every day. That's how you're going to get really good at your instrument. And with this video, remember that at any point, you can pause the video or rewind the video to review something and watch it as many times as you need to until we're able to master the concept. So have fun practicing, and if you have any questions, please feel free to reach out.